I broke down and bought me some LED headlights off of eBay. This is the actual listing that I bought it off of. 45 bucks, 7-inch round LED headlights, DOT approved, at least it's stamped on the lens, from a seller called Chocolate 6068. I got mine in a good amount of time and it's perfect. As a quick video, hopefully very short video, I'm going to show you how to swap out the headlights in my Vanagon. Right here, I have a new LED light that I bought off of eBay, and I want to replace these guys. Why? Because the other day I felt like I was outrunning my headlights and I really wanted to see where I was going, so we're going to try to swap those out. Here is my headlight, and if you note, it's got this metal rim holding it in there, okay? So I'm going to unbolt these. Now if you look, some of these hold it together. If you come to the side, so you can get a good look at that. See how you see the two little layers? Well, that's holding this piece onto the light bulb. This one up here, let's see, right here, you notice that's different because there's the lip of the ring. So this is actually an adjuster screw. So backing out. Alright, so here I am. I'm going to loosen up these screws. I have one right here. I have one at the very, very top. And I have one over here on the side. And I've already loosened one up on the side. Now this is causing a problem. So I had this, but it's too long to get a good angle. And so I have a little stubby screwdriver as well. So I'm going to loosen that a little bit more. Loosen this one. I want to try my shorter screwdriver. Come on, get up in there. There we go. Alright. Okay, that one skipped, so that one's done. That one skipped, it was done. And I was done. So gently do it. Alright. So I don't want to lose these screws. So I'm going to gently set that on the ground. And look at the back of this. Alright. So in theory, what I have to do is unplug it. Golly, that plastic feels brittle. I'm a little worried about that plastic. Don't break. Oh. So I'm basically trying to be kind to it and gently wiggle it. Come on. Woo. All right. So there we go. So here are the two. Looking at you. Here's this one. Here's this one. Plugs actually line up. These are for these little guys right there. Let's see. Get this a little bit more civilized. So these two guys, that's for basically a running light and a blinker. And to do that, well, you can do it. I'm not. So I'm going to try this thing out. And I'll come back and see if I can get it going. Alright. So, plug in. Plug in. Help me out. Alright. Now, I doubt it's going to be that easy. I'm sure there's something else I got to worry about. Make sure there's... And in the pictures, it shows it kind of looking like that. There's like a little groove here, and a groove there. So I'm going to try to line these things up. Here we go. It's looking like that might be the way we do it. Okay. And what is it not doing? That is not one. It wants to, but it ain't. That ain't gonna work either. That ain't gonna work either. So going with the little guy on top. It actually is sitting in there decently. So that's what we're going for. Alright. So I finally lined up all those little grooves. And that looks really nice. I can see myself in it. So I'm hoping it was really that easy. It's looking that easy. Because this thing is literally just going right back on top of it to pinch it in. Whoa. So let's screw this thing back in. See this guy? Make sure the screw holes line up. We'll just get it started a tiny bit. Right over here. Lining these guys up. There's that guy. And this guy up top. Woo-hoo. Come on. Work it. There's that one. I'll get these guys out. Try to tighten these up a little bit. Dang. I like it. Let's get up in there. Now let's just see if it works. Oh yeah, it ain't gonna work. Because my key has to be going. Oh yeah. That makes me happy. Alright. We're going to put this guy where this guy is. And what I've figured out is to make it line up. On the other one, the smaller light ended up being at the top, but we'll see. We'll see. So here we go. Once again, one screw, one screw, one screw, and make sure it's attached to this front piece and not the other ones, because the other ones are your headlight adjusters. You don't want to do that. And let's see. Little screwdriver. Come on, get in there. You can do it. Okay, that one skipped. So it was done. Alright, here we go. Whoa. Okay. Once again, I'm going to take the ring gently, set it down so I don't lose a screw. Flip this thing out around. This cable is a whole lot shorter than the other one. So I'm going to undo. Do my best to undo. Woo, spider. Good gosh, I hate spiders. Woo. Come on. Slow and steady wins the race. Because you don't want to break anything or put pressure on the wires on the back. Holy cow. I had to nudge it ever so gently guy out. Send him down. And honestly, it's just plug and play. I'm gonna take this guy and plug him in. Let's get them all the way in. Clean this pretty thing off. And now, once again, there's an indent right here, and one right here. Scooch that guy right there. Lining them up. There's one. There's two. There we go. It's nice and in there. Now I'll take the ring. Hot dog. I'm going to slide her in right there. Get these screws started. There's that one. I get that one. And there we go. That's in there, folks. So zooming out. Oh, Milo's looking good. It's like cataract surgery for your vehicle. So I'm gonna get this grill back on there. Go from there. All right, so we are going to try to show off how much better our headlights are. I did not do it before, but it's because the before was awful. So let's do the after. For me. You got it? You got it? All right. Here we go with the new headlights. Let's see here. Going forward. Woohoo! Now we can see everything. And these are the... I'll show you the brights. I'll show you the brights in just a second. Here we go. What you think about that, Carter?
Very, very bright.
Alright, this is my LED light bar on. Adding that to it. See? So that's a little brighter. Cut that off. And then we'll just turn into here and then use my brights. Alright, so this is just a field. Oh. So that's there, and here are our brights. So you get a little bit more. And then of course LED light bar fills it in a little bit.
Why not brights and the LED light bar?
Well, that's where. So that's brights. That's LED light bar. It's mainly just a little bit in the distance. Alright. Well, thank y'all for watching. I hope this convinces you to buy these LED headlights that look so great.